Hi, hello and welcome back to our channel. So in this video, let's discuss about maintenance management in Odoo 14 community. So manufacturing industry is a major industry that involves the operation of a large number of machines. Maintenance of all the machines plays a critical role in the industry. So it ensures proper health of the machines and improves its life cycle. So instead of wasting time on unwanted mechanical errors and machine failure, you can ensure uninterrupted working at your work centers. So this module is the best choice to manage all maintenance related worries. Okay, so after installing maintenance module from App Store, here we can find the module. So when you open this, you can see it provides a dashboard that gives you details of maintenance teams, that contains internal maintenance activities, that performs internal maintenance activity, metrology and subcontracting. So you can also configure more maintenance teams, that is create more maintenance teams and configure them by coming under configuration. So you can see those maintenance teams, and we can add team members for that maintenance team. And we can also set a color for this team, and we can view the total request, that is all request, then request to do, then request in progress, then done request, maintenance request can be viewed, and we also have a maintenance request reporting for each team. Then first of all we have to configure equipment categories. So here we can see different categories like computers, software, printers. So we can create categories. So you can see category name, and we can set responsible person, the company. Then we can see the total equipments under that equipment category and the total maintenance request. Okay. So after setting category, you can create equipments. So when you click on this menu, you can view different equipments. Like we have Samsung monitors, Acer laptops, HP laptop, HP inkjet printers and all. And if there are any maintenance requests for equipments, here we can see that request. So for these three equipments, you can see the maintenance request. And you can also schedule activities for your equipments. Okay, so let me create a new equipment here. And we can set an equipment category, so it belongs to computers. Then we can assign the maintenance of this equipment to a maintenance team. So I'm assigning this to an internal maintenance team. Then we can use it in a location, and it can be used by department, employee or some other person. So if I choose employee, here we can mention the employee name. Okay, so I'm saying Angela Oliver. It can be used by this employee. Then we can provide description for this equipment, then some information related to product, that is vendor reference, then model, then we can provide serial number, and then effective date, then cost of this equipment, then warranty expiration date, okay. So after that you can save the equipment. Then okay, so here we can see the equipment, and here we can see an option for creating maintenance request for that equipment. So we can just manually create a maintenance request from here. So we can set the maintenance request title, And here we can set it is created by, okay, you can see it is created by Michelin, and you can see the equipment name, category, then requested date, and here we can see one option that is maintenance type. So you can maintain machines in two effective ways. One is preventive maintenance and other one is corrective maintenance. So preventive maintenance is done periodically. That is process of carrying out a regular maintenance work. So it is done even though the machine does not report any complaints. So using this maintenance, an investor can ensure that his instruments work efficiently for a longer period. So it can be done with the help of a calendar. So we can maintain a maintenance calendar, and can be managed by maintenance wing to carry out machine checks at regular intervals. Then we have corrective maintenance. So this one is carried out to correct the errors. So in this process, the failure of the machine or malfunctioning of the machine will be addressed. So comparing with the preventive maintenance, this corrective maintenance is a simple task. So I'm creating a corrective maintenance, and then okay, we can see the responsible person, then schedule date to maintain this machine maintenance. Okay. Then here we can see the duration required for maintenance. Then we can see the priority for this maintenance request, and after that you can save this request. So you can see a new request. It is in the new request state. Okay, and we can block this already, make it ready for next stage. Okay, so you can see one request is added. So for this equipment, the laptop, you can see there is one maintenance request. And you can, if it is started, that is if you have started maintaining this equipment, you can move to in progress state, and if the repairing is completed, you can just move to repair state, and if there is any damage, you can move to scrap stage. Okay, now you can see there is no new request. Then we can view all the maintenance requests from here. Then here we can maintain a maintenance calendar. So we can view the maintenance request at different dates. Okay, so here we can see our display maintenance created, and by clicking on a date, you can create new maintenance request. You can create or you can edit that. So you can see a new request here. So you can view all the maintenance requests in a week, in a month, in a year, or on a day. So you can view the previous and upcoming request. Okay. Then here we have maintenance request reporting. So we can view all the maintenance requests in progress, repaired maintenance requests, scrap maintenance request. Then you can view new request. So here we can change the measure, like we have by default we can view the count of request. So if you want to view the duration of maintenance request, we can choose that, and according to that you can see the change here. And you can group this graph view by that is request by assigned to or category. So you can see the categories, computers, monitors. So you can see the total duration maintenance request for each category. Then we can group this by stage, created by, and we also have some other filtering options. That is, if you want to view the blocked maintenance request or maintenance request in ready state or a request with higher priority, then we can filter by request date, schedule date, close date. Then unscheduled maintenance request can be viewed. Okay, then you can see to do. So there are a lot of options, filtering options and grouping. And for this maintenance request, you can also view, we have a pivot view, then we can view this in Kanban view, so we have seen that. Then we have list view, then okay, so you can see a calendar view. So it is useful in order to for a preventive maintenance. So regularly we can create maintenance request. So that's how we create maintenance request in a manufacturing industry. So that's all about maintenance module in Odoo 14 community.